All right, we have a situation here with a print ad that just sold for me over the weekend as I record this video on Monday. And as you can see, the bottom right corner of this ad is really wrinkled up, and that is my fault. It looks like this entire L65, Life 65, it got mushed up. You can see how even the plastic is in the same condition as are these handful of ads that remain. So what we're going to do is we're going to use an iron to try to fix the wrinkle on this thing. It's the first time I'm doing this as well, so it's a learning experience for all of us. I'm going to put a microfiber cloth on top of the ad to protect it so it doesn't burn. I have an iron at the ready that's on kind of medium heat. And here we go, folks. We're going to iron over this wrinkled area. We're going to see if it kind of gets these wrinkles out. Going to hit it with some steam. There you go. Just trying again not to burn the underlying paper. Being very, very delicate. This one is already sold, so we want to be really careful. I don't want to have to refund back on somebody's purchase when they're excited about getting this. All right, so what do you think? 15, 20 seconds we've done it. Let's just take a quick look, see if it's made any improvement at all. And look at that already. Can you see that, folks? There's just this one kind of wrinkle left. So I'm going to go over that section, which is kind of right here, right? Again, just gently on medium heat with a little bit of steam. Let's hit that steam button. See the steam popping up there. All right, we'll just be very, very delicate. I can't understate how important, I can't overstate how important it is to put, a microfiber cloth or a towel, something over it. You don't want to go directly on the paper with this. Let's give a look again. All right, and as you can see, looks like there's a little bit of moisture on there, but I'm going to let that dry and we'll see how it looks after it's all dried up. And now I let it dry maybe 10 minutes or so, and as you see, the offending wrinkle is gone. So there you go. It's been proven. If anybody has any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this is a handy tip. Thanks again. Bye-bye.